Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Former Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika and im brother Ahmad Sirika don plead today say dem no dey guilty on top n19.4 billion contract wey dem say dem kpake. Na EFCC charge Sirika, im brother and one company wey one Abubakar get, Engineers Nigeria Limited, on top 10-count charge wey border on fraud. Na inside di new charge, EFCC accuse Hadi Sirika say e use im position take award contract to Engineers Nigeria Limited and im biological brother Ahmad Sirika for construction of terminal building for Katsina Airport for the sum of n1.345 billion. Because of dis, e commit offence wey dey contrary to section 19 corrupt practices and other offence wey be like am, and dis offence dey punishable under law. Dis further tori dey inside di Nation. House of Representatives don pass di bill wey require di nation to go back to hold national anthem Nigeria We Hail Thee. Na leader of di house Julius Nhobare sponsor di bill before dem present am for di second reading today Thursday, before dem go send am go Senate, from there go President for approval. Dis further tori dey inside di Nation. Popular business mogul Emeka Okonkwo aka E-Money don announce today say dem don arrest one of di pipo wey dey accuse am say im dey fiolele di late Junior Pope widow, say im get hand for im death. Na on top im Instagram account E-Money make di announcement. Dis one happen less than 1 week wey e deny di allegation say im get special thing with Junior Pope widow Jennifer Awele. Na after dis allegation E-Money tok say im go drag di social media con ten t creator and bloggers wey accuse am, as e beg country pipo make dem support am. E post di video of one of di suspects wey dem arrest with handcuff and caption am "I'm relieved to share that one of the individuals responsible for character assassination against me has been prosecuted. This is a significant step towards ending the scourge of cyberbullying." As e con ex ten d im gratitude to police wey help am fish out one of di suspects wey accuse am. If una remember, say E-Money promise to support Junior Pope family after di actor kpai inside Annam River when coming back from movie set. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Nigerian singer and cleric Bankole Wellington aka Banky W don tok say contrary to wetin many pipo believe, money no be key to happiness. According to wetin e tok, if money na key to happiness, billionaire no go commit suicide. Banky W tok dis one come outside wen e dey explain why e switch from rock star to clergyman inside di latest episode of Who's in My House wey Hawa Magaji dey host. Banky W say im believe say Godship space dey inside everybody, and until we fill dat space with God, even if we fill am with money, fame, success, drugs, e no go work. E say even Bible confirm am say what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his own soul? E say sometimes in the eyes of everybody, person go look successful but inside space dey. Dis same singer wey turn pastor post am on top im Instagram page today say im don do 4th surgery for skin cancer. E say im share dis testimony online to encourage other pipo wey dey pass through challenge. E say sometimes person faith in God no go say make person no face challenge, but di faith go make person succeed. As di singer use di opportunity to appreciate im wife, family, friends, pastors and doctors for their support. Reports show say Banky W do di 3rd cancer surgery for 2017. E explain dat time say di skin cancer come after 10 years wey e first appear. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Veteran Nigeria singer John Odafe Asiemo aka Daddy Shoki don tok and come outside say e discover im music talent wen e dey work for motor park. Na inside di recent episode of di Honest Bunch podcast dis ghetto soldier crooner disclose dis. E say im dey work for motor park as ticketer wen somebody tell am say im get good voice make im dey think of becoming a musician. E say fear first catch am because im no sabi sing, but na wen im try am im come see say pipo like am, na so e take become musician. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. Enugu State Police Command don announce di arrest and arraignment of one masquerade for assaulting one woman for Nsukka area inside Enugu State. Na inside statement, tok for police DSP Daniel Ndukwe explain today say na on May 12, 2024 around 3:45pm anti-cultist tactical squad arrest di masquerade. According to Ndukwe, dem catch di masquerade wey dey popular wit di name Oriokpa wen e dey assault di woman for Ngwoye Junction, Nsukka, before dem arrest am. Ndukwe say na later dem identify di masquerade as Ngwoke Ebube wey be 22 years. Dem don carry am go court before court later grant am bail. State Commissioner of Police Kanayo Uzuegbu condemn dis act as im warn those pipo wey dey hide under culture celebrating masquerade make dem stop to dey commit criminal acts. Anybody wey dem catch go take im mouth blow body. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.